Get excited about the 2015 GMC Acadia. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, rear wipers, and much more. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.